Hello, my artsy friend. In this video, we'll be covering the fern stitch. Let's jump in.
We're going to start by threading our needle. It's going to take my threader through, wrap the yarn, and pull it right on through. And then I've already knotted it, so I'm ready to get started. I'm going to take the card, I'm going to come up through the back and down through the front. I'll start with our straight stitch, and I'm going to be doing little back stitches. So I'm going to go off to the side, up through the back, down through the front. We'll be sharing that same hole, and then I'll repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So up through the back, down through the front, and continuing to share that hole. And then one last time we'll go out a stitch length and come back down into that same hole. And then we'll do the same thing where we'll split out to each of those branches and keep coming through the back and down through the front. Repeat this pattern over and over until you finish your fern stitch, but this is just creating a plant type shape. I just think of it being an organic shape, so it's like a stem or a branch. It's called the fern stitch, and you're doing a lot of back stitches essentially. So I'll wrap this up and I'll show you the back. So we'll complete it with one final back stitch. So up through the back, down through the front, sharing that hole. And then I'll turn it over. I like to keep my backs pretty tidy, so I just take it and I wrap it under the stitches back here. And then I'll go through a few and then I'll secure it and tie it off and cut it. So I'll do that really quickly and then I'll show you the finished product. So there's my back, and that's it. That's our fern stitch.